Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to auto caption your snap on the Snapchat. As you will see on the screen how you can do it. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat and log into your account. Once you will do it, now you have to open your camera and you have to record something, and you have to say something like I did right now. So okay, once you will do it, now you have to click on this quotation sign. So click on it. Once you will do it, as you will see, hi, this tutorial is for auto caption, and once you will do it, now send it on the streak. So this is the procedure to auto caption your snap on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.